Hello lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to prepare Kelewele. Kelewele is a local name for spicy fried ripe plantain. Yes, and it is usually served with granite. Okay, so in today's video I'll be taking you through how I prepare my Kelewele at home. This Ghanaian street food is usually served with fried gizzard or gizzard sauce. If you want to know how I prepared my gizzard sauce, then you can look forward to my next video on how to prepare gizzard sauce, and this can be taken with fried yam or kelewele. With my gizzard already prepped, I will go ahead and throw in my spices on my plantain, which will give it the perfect kelewele taste. I will make sure to put the name of the ingredients on the screen so you don't miss out on any detail. After thoroughly mixing your ripe plantain with your spices, you can cover it with cling foil. I don't have a cling foil, but I have paper foil. So I'll cover or wrap mine with this paper foil, then use my chopping board to cover it. You can cover it with any lid. Wait 5 to 10 minutes before frying. If you don't have that much time, you can fry it within 2 minutes. This is my gizzard and I'm going to steam it alongside. I will also be making fried yam as a side dish. If you have come this far, it means you are enjoying this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share and comment. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.